Okay, this is a shock, honestly. Like, I had no clue. But I am going to start just by saying how much I truly love this school. I truly believe that this is the best school in West Virginia, full of the best students in this state. I've had about half of you in this room in class, and I just think that you're all incredible and that you're all going to be going places in life. So, you know, I would not be standing here if it wasn't for a lot of people. We have a wonderful staff at this school. Like, I can think of so many other people that could and should be standing here too. And I just hope that I can represent all of you through this. But I don't know. I don't even know what to think right now. So, but I know 20 years ago, or a little bit longer, I was sitting where you're at, didn't have a clue what I was going to do with my life. And here I am. We got a lot of challenges here in West Virginia, but this state's full of the best people in this entire country. And if you guys work hard, you're going to be able to do anything that you put your mind to. I had a wonderful upbringing myself. I was so lucky. I've had wonderful mentors. I'm a product of public education in West Virginia, and I'm super proud of that. Like I said, we have issues here in Appalachia, but we can get through them, together. And I want you to know that if I can be standing here 20 years later, I hope that you can see, he can do it, so can I. You can do anything that you really put your mind to. And I just think that you're all great. Thank you to everybody, big or small, who's had a part in helping me. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you, guys.